So my name is Chris Musselman. I am the parts manager here at Colton RV and Marine in Lehigh Valley. I've been with the Colton RV family now for 3 years. So my day-to-day responsibilities are to get people out and happy in camping, with ordering the correct parts, making sure their RVs are ready to be serviced and out back on the road so you can enjoy the summer, and making sure that all of our new campers are set up for success to go out and have a great time and enjoy the RV lifestyle. Since I started about 3 years ago, I kind of came into this position in more of the sales role. So selling RVs and dreams and driveways, and since then I've kind of moved into more of a managerial role within our parts department. So kind of running the day-to-day operation, ensuring that our parts department's running successfully and getting people camping that way as well. My best accomplishment here so far has been just the growth into this position within our parts department. Starting in sales, I didn't have that much experience on the back end with the parts and service ends of it. So having the faith that the Colton family has in me to kind of continue the growth of the industry and business down here has been my proudest accomplishment for sure. The one word I'd use to describe Colton RV is that family piece. Being a 3-generation business with all the family being involved, having the tight-knit team here at the store and being that family you see every day, and of course every person that purchases an RV becomes part of that Colton RV family as well. So family is definitely the word I'd use to describe it.